Hello there, and thank you so much for servicing with us. If you're watching this, then your vehicle could greatly benefit from a hydraulic clutch fluid flush. Maintaining your vehicle's clutch system is crucial for ensuring smooth operation and extending the life of the vehicle. One often overlooked but essential aspect of clutch maintenance is the hydraulic clutch fluid flush. This procedure is vital for keeping your clutch system in top condition and preventing potential issues down the line. Here's why a hydraulic clutch fluid flush is so important. First, let's take a look at understanding a hydraulic clutch fluid. The hydraulic clutch system relies on a specific type of fluid, typically referred to as clutch fluid or hydraulic fluid. This fluid is responsible for transmitting force from the clutch pedal to the clutch mechanism. When you press the clutch pedal, the hydraulic fluid creates a pressure that disengages the clutch, allowing you to shift gears smoothly. Why flushing the hydraulic clutch fluid is necessary? Prevents contamination. Over time, hydraulic clutch fluid can become contaminated with moisture, dirt, and debris. Moisture can cause the fluid to corrode internal components, leading to potential system failures. Regular flushing removes these contaminants and ensures the fluid remains clean and effective, maintains optimal performance. As the clutch fluid ages, it loses its ability to perform effectively. Contaminating or degrading fluid can lead to a spongy or inconsistent clutch pedal feel, affecting your ability to shift gears smoothly. Flushing the fluid helps maintain responsiveness and performance of the clutch system. Reduces wear and tear. Contaminated fluid can accelerate wear and tear on critical components such as the master cylinder, slave cylinder, and the clutch lines. By performing a hydraulic clutch fluid flush, you reduce the risk of premature wear and potential breakdowns, ultimately saving you costly repairs. Prevents brake fluid contamination. In some vehicles, the clutch system and the brake system share the same reservoir. Contaminated clutch fluid can potentially mix with brake fluid, affecting the braking performance and safety of your vehicle. Regularly flushing the clutch fluid helps ensure that the brake system remains unaffected, extends clutch life. Proper maintenance, including regular fluid flushes, helps extend the life of your clutch system. By keeping the hydraulic fluid clean and effective, you reduce the strain on the clutch components and avoid premature replacement. When to flush the hydraulic clutch fluid? Well, it does vary from model year to model year and manufacturer to manufacturer, roughly every 2 to 3 years, or whenever you do any major clutch work. Additionally, some things may prompt you to do it earlier, things like difficulty in shifting gears, pedal feel, or fluid discoloration. In summary, a hydraulic clutch fluid flush is a critical aspect of maintaining your vehicle's health and should not be overlooked. By keeping the hydraulic clutch fluid clean and effective, you ensure optimal performance, reduce wear on components, and extending the life of your clutch system. If you would like us to move ahead with this service, please let us know straight away. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us and give us a call, and we'll do our best to answer them promptly. Thank you so much, and we're looking forward to hearing from you soon.